So here's the thing, if you just live by yourself or in the morning you get up in front of your mirror. So here's the thing we can do by yourself. So look at this, you take your hair out and you can do that also before you go to bed. So you can find the middle point, by measuring your hairline here, the middle one, and that's the dew meridian. You can start right in here, just use the first 3 fingers, and then this is stomach meridian. Just keep pulling back to meet the dew 20, which is the both ear tip with your fingers, and the middle point will be right on the top of your head. That's a dew 20, very important one, make you smarter. So you find this, and then every point from the front, from the side, from gallbladder and Sanjiao meridian point, all get meet in here. And then the bottom one, the dew 21, dew 20, all the way go to here as well. So here's what you do. You do this way or you do this way. It actually feels really good. Okay, and then the corner of your stomach. So if you have digestive issues or even going to the party and then feel like you overeat it, which I always do, so I will do this. That will help me digest better. Then it's the water pathway, Sanjiao meridian combined with gallbladder, right around here, and then go all the way to the dew 20, to the top, the point of your head here. And then so you just do, you can do one hand at a time, or you do 2 together. Sometimes when I'm waiting at stop sign, I will do that too. Just make sure you drive safe though. Okay, very simple, easy. And then you feel your head full of blood going through. And then here's the dew 20 on the back, and then keep pushing. Keep up there. Yeah. Like that. The last one is here, right? So if you don't like to massage this, you can use your comb. Just, you comb your hair and you can just gently tapping, which feels really good. And I hope you have a great sleep tonight, and let me know how you feel after this.